Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can tell, I'm in the mountains. I'm not in the city right now. And that's because we're going to take the M4 on some of the brightest fall colored roads here in Colorado. So we had to come out to the mountains. Real quick, something happened to the car last night and it doesn't look too good. I'll show you guys what happened. So here's my car and I'm at my girlfriend's parents' house. That's where we're staying for this trip. So I was pulling into the garage and you see this concrete slab. I think you guys are knowing where this is gonna get to. My front lip just completely clipped it. It's not even like that high off the ground. Like you would look at this and think you would go right over it, but nope. It decided to catch it and yeah, my brand new lip is all torn up. So we're gonna put some black Gorilla Tape on it and hopefully it just patches up and yeah, that did not last very long. So anyways, we'll hop into the video. Right before we were gonna head out, Alex brings in a chicken. So
this is Lady.
Yeah, Alex's family, they have like a ranch out here, so there's tons of animals. You guys might remember when I took my M4 out here and I had all those cows charging it. It was really scary. All right, well we've got some cows that are approaching us. Oh, that one's running. Oh no. Guys, it's running straight for my car. All right, I am getting in. Please do not hit my car. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. So, yeah, it's always a little bit of a risk bringing the M4 out here. Yeah, it's definitely not ideal to bring the lowered car on these kinds of roads, but check out this view with all the aspen trees. This is like prime season. Like I think if I waited any longer that these trees probably would have been gone. So super happy to be up here and yeah, we're gonna go find some fun roads. So it is actually the next day. Yesterday we filmed all that cinematic sequence for you guys with the M4 driving through all the cool roads with the aspen trees. So hope you guys enjoyed that. It's a little tricky to film though because there's a lot of cars on a lot of these roads right now. Everybody's trying to take pictures of the fall trees. So yeah, we had to navigate all the filming with all the traffic flow that was happening too. So, but it was fun. I'm glad I was able to get those shots. I want to show you guys how I repaired my front lip over here. So there's the damage. But yeah, we're using some Gorilla Tape. And on camera, it looks pretty bad, but actually in person, you can't really see the duct tape, like at least from a distance. So just happy that it didn't completely rip the front lip off. At least we can just patch it up for now until we get a new one. But yeah, unfortunately these things are not cheap, and that's not gonna happen for a while now. But just take a look at these views. Oh my gosh. It is unreal out here. It's like a 360 view of all the mountains, and all those yellow aspens just look so insane. Yeah, my girlfriend's family, they have this super sick Jeep right here, and it's a manual transmission. It's a lot of fun. We're trying to get it back up and running in good shape so that we can start taking it on some trails. So definitely want to give you guys some more like Colorado content with, you know, the off-roading side, because the M4 is fun, but we also got a lot of cool trails that I can take you guys along for. But with all that being said, we are going back to Denver. I got to get home, get some stuff done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace out.